So breathing, your eyes closed, and just allowing yourself to rest, come into a silence for a moment. Just being with yourself, knowing that we are all connected on this call, and yet you hold your own part of this quantum field, connected to everyone else, and yet it is your individualized expression of your soul, which is your body, it is your ego, it is how you decided to come here this time on planet to do your work. That is your body, your ego. And your body is made of the earth. We are the soil. We are the men and women. We are the children of the actual soil itself. Taking that deep breath in through the nose, just allowing the belly to rise and relax. And allowing the belly to fall in your own pace. Just breathing in and out. And as you breathe, just allow yourself to hear that noise in the back of your throat, that as you hear I'm doing, kind of moves that uvula in the back. Bring some rich air into that ujjayi breath that you do in yoga. In through the nose and back out through the nose. And if you will, allow your eyes just to float up, if you will, and back into your head, just stimulating the first eye, we will call it, which many of you know as the third eye. The first eye is your spiritual eye. It's in your pineal gland. It's in the middle of your head. Imagine and picture a ball of white and golden light sitting right directly in the middle of the brain. I'm going to call it the first eye because it is the first eye that develops. It's the first part of you when you are in the womb that makes itself manifest. It's right there. It would be more apt that your physical eyes would be 2 and 3, but this is the first eye. It is what connects you directly to your higher self, to source, creating the conversation of truth, of love. So with the eyes rolled back, just gently stimulating that first eye, and taking that breath. Breathing into that first eye. And now what we're going to do is, while you just have your focus there, and you're listening to the sound of my voice, even though you're hearing it, just really notice that it is quite removed from your personal space. And you surrounded in a golden bubble of light around your auric field. Just feel that. And what I would like you to do now is just to bring your focus, although your eyes are up and floating right in the back of the head, kind of like when you see the Buddhas where the eyelids are just slightly parted and your eyelids may be fluttering. This is where they're sitting. They're sitting in that spiritual eye. This is where the truth comes. The clear truth from the higher. But I would like you to focus now right at your bottom, at the perineum. at the base of the spine and lower, right in between that perineum, where when you squeeze, it's almost like you feel like you are, if you have to go to the bathroom, you squeeze, just like in yoga, and then you squeeze it and then you let it go. Just do that for me. Just squeeze it and hold your breath and then let it go right in there. That's the base. Very physical, again, very somatic. It's your body. I would like you to picture, visualize, and imagine a golden cord, like an umbilical cord, dropping. Maybe it's the size of a rope, or maybe it's a size of a piece of yarn, however you picture it. And I would like you to take that right there where you were squeezing and letting go. Drop it down below your seat, your cushion, the floor. If you were up high in an apartment, let it go rapidly all the way down into the base, into the root if you're in a home, right through the foundation, into the ground, and allow that golden cord to go down past the soil, the layers of the soil, past the tree roots, the groundwaters, crystals, all the creepy, crawling, beautiful insects and beings that make the soil fertile, the mycelium community down deep, the roots going deeper and deeper and deeper into the ground with that cord, deeper and deeper, passing through the layers, really allowing yourself to go picture, visualize, and imagine it going deeper and deeper. And knowing that as you go through the different layers, truly this is the historical Akash. It is where you have been. It is you. You are the soil. For many times in and out, you have left your body, your families, your animals, your civilizations, all within these layers. Down deeper and deeper, acknowledging yourself as your ancestors, going down, 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 down. And on one, even deeper, we're going to go right to the core. On 3, going down. On 2, 1 and 0, right at the core. The crystalline core. You are here. You are connected to the mother. You are grounded into the crystalline core of the mother. And this truly is her spiritual eye. The core, her beginnings, tied to you. Say hello to the mother. And before we continue on, there is a message for each and every one of you from the Divine Mother. Allow it to show up for you. For when you acknowledge her on this deep level, she is grateful. Feel where that is, where it shows up in your body. Her acknowledgement of you and the message. Staying deeply grounded here. And as you begin to breathe, your eyes open when you can. As we move into the next part of this beautiful Sunday workshop, each and every one of you, I am grateful. Thank you.